Hello, welcome to this tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate to you how you can add Gmail and Microsoft Exchange emails on iPad 3 and iPad 4. On your phone home screen, go to Settings. Under Settings, you go to Mail, Contacts, and Calendars. And then you tap Add Account. And then you tap Gmail, or you select Gmail. On the next step, you enter your name and then followed by your Gmail. And then you enter your Gmail password, the password that you use to sign in to access your Gmail. And when you click on next, it should verify your account. After verification is complete, you click on save to start receiving your Gmail on your iPad. Hello, welcome again. This is how you can also configure your Microsoft Exchange on your iPad 3 or iPad 4. You go to your phone home screen and click on Settings, and then you click on Mail, Contact, and Calendars. And then you select Head Account. Then you tap Microsoft Exchange. Then you enter your Microsoft Exchange email and you enter your password on the next tab and click on Next. Your server should be filled in here. Your email Exchange server, you should be filled it here. You enter that now. And then you enter your username where you used to access your Microsoft Exchange emails. And then you enter your password and click Next. And in here, you should start verifying your email Exchange server. After this is complete, you should have the Save button active. You click on Save, and your Microsoft Exchange is now active on your iPad 3 or iPad 4. That is how you configure your email on your iPad. Thanks for watching this. Please do subscribe.